hope you subscribe to this channel. Safety, again, safety is an important tool that everyone needs in his or her life. Being safe is one of the important things that we can cherish. This is why Bolt has brought a feature that will make you feel safe during a ride, whereby you can contact authorities whenever you feel unsafe. So, how do you have access to that unique feature? Is by going to the safety, then down there you can see emergency assist. Call the local authorities. So when you tap on it, you can call 191, which is the police, to assist you. Emergency assist, give operator all information. We don't share it automatically. So after you place the call, you tell the authorities what your problem is and they will assist you. Thank you once again. Kindly subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell, as well as liking and leaving a comment. Thank you once again.